Follow me. Let me show you how to find percentage by mass of atom of an element in a given compound. Let's go. All right. When you talk about percentage by mass, it simply means what percentage of this atom of an element is contained in this compound. All right. How do we go about this? First of all, you calculate the total mass of that compound. We call it a molecular mass. So you find molecular mass of that compound. After finding the molecular mass of that compound, then you now find the individual mass of that atom of an element we have in that compound. Then we now say mass of that atom over molecular mass times 100 over 1. That is how to find the percentage by mass. All right. For example, if you have, assuming we have something like this, example 1, we have something like this. We know that for copper, the atomic mass of copper is 64. Atomic mass of sulfur is 32. While atomic mass of oxygen is 16, like this. So if we are given a problem like this, they said find the percentage by mass of oxygen in copper 2 tetraoxo surfaces. How do we solve this? We have solution like this. First of all, we'll write down the molecular formula of copper 2 tetraoxo surfaces. So copper 2 tetraoxo surfaces is this. We have this. We have this. This is the copper 2 tetraoxo surfaces. We know that Cu means what? It means copper. S means sulfur. Yo means what? Oxygen. When you look at this now, you notice that we have one atom of what? Copper. We have one atom of sulfur. But we have 4 atoms of what? Oxygen. All right, so we have molar mass. Molar mass, that's mass of everything. For copper, we have 1, and we have the atomic mass to be what? 64. Plus, for sulfur, we have 1, we have atomic mass to be what? 32. Plus, for oxygen, we have 4, and we have atomic mass to be what? 16. Can you see that? All right. So 1 times 64 will give us 64. Plus, we have 32 plus 16 times 4 will give us what? It will give us 64, like this. Can you see that? All right, what do we do? 32 plus 64, it will give us what? 96. Is it clear? It will give us 96. 96 plus 4, it will give us 100, plus 60, it will give us 160. So 64 plus 32 is 96, plus 64, it will give us 160. We have like this, gram per mole. Can you see that? Is it clear? So we have total mass of this to be what? 160 grams per mole. All right, but we're talking about oxygen. So we have mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen, what do we have here? Oxygen alone, we have 4 atoms of oxygen. So we have 4 times what? 16. Can you see that? 4 times 16. And when you multiply, you are going to have 64. Can you see that? So we have 64 grams like this. All right. So they say percentage mass. So we say percentage mass of oxygen is equals to mass of oxygen over molar mass. We have mass of oxygen, which is this, over molar mass, which is this one. We have times 100 over 1. Can you see that? All right. When you have something like this, what do? We cancel 0. We cancel 0. Can you see it? All right. 16 will divide itself. It will give us 1. Dividing this, it will give us 4. 4 times 10, it will give us 40. So we say that percentage mass of oxygen in copper 2 tetraoxosulfur 6 is what? Is 40%. It's not difficult. Just calculate the individual mass of that atom you're talking about over total mass, that's molar mass, times 100 over 1. That will give you the percentage mass. All right. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page and share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this mathematical knowledge. Bye.